Hi, my name's Avani and I'm SRC Captain. Good morning, everyone. Here's the acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Could everyone please stand up for the national anthem? Please face the national flag, have all hats off and hands by your side. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here's Ms. Videra with the principal's message.
Good morning, everyone. Mrs. Videra here with this week's Principal's Report. Hope you've all settled into your new grades and started forming some friendships in the classroom, but also outside in the yard. I've got two main updates for this week. We're aware that current rules and regulations are changing within the community, but at this stage, our understanding is that all school regulations still stay the same. As always, we are guided by the Department of Education, and as soon as we receive the updated school operations guide, we will send out an update for our community. Also a reminder to please continue to do your rapid antigen tests twice a week.
Thank you, Ms. Videra. Each week, students can win a Cormorant Award for working really hard, being kind towards others, and trying their best. They might have shown some of the school values or positive attitude towards others and their learning. Here are this week's winners. Please give all our Cormorant certificate winners a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone, and congratulations to all of the Cormorant Award winners. My name is Ryan and I am the SRC chairperson. We are now going to do the Cormorant Feather Awards. Let's see who will win this award this week.
All right, it is now time to do the Cormorant Feather Awards. So just a reminder that if your name gets pulled out first, the first recipient also gets a lunch order voucher. So come and see me for one of those and I'll get it to you straight away. And we'll give the feathers a bit of a shake. So our first Cormorant Feather recipient is Alina in 5C for having an excellent attitude towards learning. Really good to hear, Alina. The next one is for Casey in 4A for being responsible in a tricky situation. That sounds exciting and sounds very responsible. Casey, I'd love to hear a little bit more. The next one is to Mathia Bias in 2E for following instructions and great listening. And finally to Angad from 2D for doing 5-star work. Well done, Angad. Thanks everyone.
Please give our Feather Award winners a round of applause. Now for an update from our ICT department on cyber safety.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean McEachran, the Lyndhurst Primary School Learning Technology Coordinator. At Lyndhurst Primary School we work hard to create a cyber safe community. An important part of this is making a suggestion to families about using boundaries for technology. One of the ways we suggest to do this is by creating a family technology agreement. The technology agreement allows you to come together as a family to establish your digital use guidelines. Classroom teachers have already gone over some templates of a family technology agreement. We've got one that we use for PEP to 2, and we've got one that you can use from 3 to 6. You can use these ones that were suggested, or you can just look at what we've done and you can come up with your own. So the example that I've got for you here that has some fantastic suggestions is the Prep to 2 example. You can see some of the boundaries that it says here are asking before you use your device, only using your device in a shared area where your child can be actively supervised, and I stress that word supervised because they do need to be supervised when they're on a computer. I will only talk to people I know when I chat, message or video call online. So these are some great suggestions that you could use as guidelines for your family. But every family is different and you need to work out what works for you. This is the template for the grade 3 to 6 that you could also use. Please ask your classroom teacher if you do want a copy of the template that could be sent to you. And remember that it's just a suggested way to approach the use of technology at your home. But I can tell you from experience, these technology agreements go a long way in to prevent having issues around technology and protecting your children in the process of using technology to learn. Thank you.
Here is an update on litter legends and sustainability.
Hi everyone, we are Gigi and we are We collected 4.4 kilograms of litter. That's too much. Try to bring nude food at school rather than it blowing into the wetlands. Please pick up rubbish and put it in the bin before it ends up in the wetlands. So if you see rubbish somewhere, then pick it up and put it in the bin. Pick up rubbish so it doesn't end up in the ocean. The animals might get trapped in the plastic and die. If you see someone with rubbish, please ask them to pick it up. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Now for a message from our music department. We would like to congratulate the students who were selected for this year's Victorian State School Spectacular. Our music teachers would like to thank all those students who made the time and effort to audition for this program. This year, the music department will be running a ukulele orchestra on a Wednesday morning and senior choir on a Monday morning. These programs are only for students from years 3 to 6 and rehearsals will be held before school. Information about joining these programs will be communicated to parents during this week.
Hi everyone, welcome back to 2022. It's been really great to see you all. I just wanted to introduce myself to those people who don't know me, Mrs. Smith, and my job is the Student Wellbeing Coordinator here at Lyndhurst. I'm working on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays this year. So if you want to come and visit me at my office, which is right next to the Makerspace, I would love to see you anytime. This week we saw the start of our Healthy Habits, Happy Kids program, and the healthy habit was empathy. Empathy is about having the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. You might have heard the saying before, put yourself in someone else's shoes. Some questions that you might like to ask yourself when you're trying to practice empathy is, what is that person feeling? Have I felt this way before myself? And if I was feeling that way, how would I like to be treated? I hope you can practice empathy this week and ongoing. Our healthy habits are something that we do every fortnight, but they're skills that we want to learn and use all throughout our life. So see how you go with empathy. It's been great to talk to you, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye.
You can just rub it out, use the vac or turn it into something else. You don't have to scrunch it up and throw it in the paper bin. Okay.
Hi everybody, we're from 4A.
And my name is Benedict.
My name's Casey. My name's Sana. And my name's Pauline.
And we're here to tell you about the bins in your classroom.
It is really important to put the right things in the right bins.
Why?
Well, because, for example, if you put laminating sheets in a paper bin, the paper bin can't be recycled.
Oh, okay. So can you tell me what goes in what bin?
There are 3 bins in your classroom. A general waste bin, a paper recycling bin, and a recycling bin.
This is the general waste bin. This is normally black or green in color. You can put in this bin laminated paper, tissues, food waste, and wrappers. Although these should go home in your lunchbox.
Did you know Australians produce 540 kilograms of household waste per person each year? That's the same weight as an adult horse.
Wow, Benedict!
This is the paper recycling bin. It clearly says that on the top and on the front. It's usually green in color. And in this bin, you can put colored and white paper, cardboard, but no laminated.
Did you know 1 ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 3 cubic yards of landfill space, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, 7,000 gallons of water?
This is the recycling bin. It's blue in color. You can put in this bin plastic bottles, plastic containers, foil containers, milk and juice bottles, wooden sticks, nail cans, lids, but no soft plastics or laminated.
If you are not sure, check for the numbers. These are on the packaging of things.
If you recycle one glass bottle, it saves enough energy to light a 100-watt bulb for 4 hours, power a computer for 30 minutes, or a television for 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching and listening. If we all do our part, we can make the world a better place. No! That's laminated. Oh yeah, be sustainable.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great week. Please stay seated and wait for instructions from your teacher. Bye for now.